Our friends, what's up? This is your sector. Today I will explain manufacturing, assembling computer hardware, laptop, desktop, tablets, and electronic hardware. Government of Gujarat GST specifications. What are the rates are given this laptops and computer desktops and electronic goods in GST. Our friends, today topic is manufacturing, assembling of the computer hardware, laptop, desktop tablets and electronics hardware, Government of Gujarat GST. This is IBRAN Gujarat 2010 January 13. This contains the project concept and marketing potential, growth of drivers, electronics and IT, SEG Gujarat competitive advantages, project location size, infrastructure availability, connectivity, raw material, manpower, key play role, machinery, supplies, potential of calibration, key consideration, projects. This computer hardware industry. This computer or IT industry or arrange business involving designing computer software. This computer networking infrastructure, developing computer software, manufacturing computer components. This providing information technology. It is IT service. The industry affected season sales cycles. Factory affected seasonality, including the retail cycle, home PCs, and the in-app sales push up cooperative hardware. This industry characteristic short production life cycles. In this case of several sub-segments, including PCs, services, and storage equipment, and new products, small form factors, and with this the fast processing capability being on the frequently. This classification of IT industry, what are the just first storage? Mainly, this is a storage, printer, and scanners. They use then servers and peripherals computers. The most of IT companies use storage, data, and printer and scanners and servers and peripherals computers. This is the one block that. The storage devices is coming the hard disk, drivers, optical drives, solid state drives, flash memories, cards, network and storage. Printer and scanner, the peripherals, keyboards and mouse, power supplies, projects, sound cards, speakers, webcams, headsets, personal computer, desktop pieces, notebook, tablet pieces, workstations, mainframe computers. This is the project concept. The integrated original equipment manufacturers and component original equipment manufacturers, distributing and retailers, classification of computer hardware computers, a value added VR system integrated electronic manufacturer service EMS provided, the original designing manufacturers. This global spending IT production forecasting flat 2016. This is the globally providing US billion dollars in 2014, 3,612 and 2015, 3,413 and 2016, 3,412. This global computer devices sum up the device at millions of units. This producing traditional pieces is 45 millions units, and 2016 is ultra mobile premium and 57, and 2017 is 73, in 2018 is the 90. This is the marketing potential. IT production expect reach in NR Indian rate in 893 billions in 2016 is the diagram. The scale is going up, and starting is 414 and ending is 842, nearly double this. This total units installed in IT products in 15 in millions. The smartphones overall, the smartphones is color is tablet. Smartphone is the this one, and yellow color is the P tablets. And okay, smartphones is 52.4 millions and computers 69.7 millions and the BYD culture gaining tractions. The Indian IT product segments has allowed customer drive marketing for years. This organization increasing the devices, the designing demand service, virtualization data centers consolidated. Virtualization utilizes hardware and reduce the cost. Furthermore, the visualization is a server and vendor not have to spend heavily managing complex storage systems. Since this is make it possible consolidated service multiple works load can use run single physical host server. This increasing utilization rate of data center with the use of fewer servers. There are decreasing electricity consumption. This is the leading increasing demand for virtualization across enterprise. The focusing provides servicing and solution based business. The hardware companies are adopting solution-based approaching battle dimension, marking traditional devices, PCs, and laptops. They have begun providing various services, including the advanced cloud computing and bundle of hardware and software values, including implementation servers and value possible making hardware products in license in the IT service vendors. Growing adapting open standard competitors. Adapting the open standard approaching improves efficiently since the goes behind equipment based compatibility offer flexibility. It is helps to reduce power consumption. IT cost is additional. Global companies are entering Indian market. Give the location of demand on the Indian market, whereas global companies are looking for developing manufacturing facility in India. For the instant, Foxconn and entered in the Indian market, set his manufacture facility 2015 India INRI 31.9 crores investment. This growth, the increasing adapting MSME segment. This MSME segment is micro, small, and medium enterprises. Emergence of Internet of Things technology. This increasing spending on laptops, tablets, state of government, the government Indian tax intensity, the government FDA promotion intensity, the growth of drivers. Digital India. This topic. The throughout invitation of goal of him to improve our access government services to IT-enabled platform. The scheme is was fair focus on electronic manufacturing target net zero import smart cities project. This is a global build 100 smart cities to remain smart city mission in this another 500 cities in India named Atal Mission Revention Urban Transfer Make India. The government cloud invitations. These government cloud invitations are mega focus on the cloud adoption of the effective delivery of the government services, and this is also drive demand large scale of data centers which is expect drive in the demand storage services in computers. Supply side drives for preferential market access, electronic development funds, modified special incentive package scheme, electronic manufacturers, marketing opportunities. This generating USA $15 billion from IT sector in Gujarat. This increasing current investment IT and IT sectors by the time the increasing IT exports from the up to USA $2 billion. The current marketing infrastructure. The more than 1500 electronics and IT electronic companies are registered in Gujarat. This is the 9 major special economic zones specification IT is coming of Gujarat. Gujarat Competitive Advice. Easy of doing business policy supporting Gujarat government. The Gujarat is ranked first easy to doing business is the DIPP report in 2015. The only state of companies with the environment procedures. This established infrastructure. The state of 40 ports, 13 domestic airports and one international airport and an expensive railway and road networking. The flourishing economics. ITE, Electronics and IT seizing Gujarat. This is the one map is providing. The first one is electronic, second one IT and IT seizing, and electronics and IT seizing the red symbol. The projects in Gujarat in Ahmedabad, Itlapur, and Gandhinagar, Sadhana, Hala, Wadia, Jambasur, Bachur. The main key highlights that across 4 months of color, the project informations. This is logistic connecting railways, roads, airport and ports, water and power sectors utilizing the processing flow manufacture computer hardware. This computer hardware first step R&D and input ownership and designing services. Second step the components fabrication sourcing. This third step the fourth step is manufacturing system assembling and fifth is configuration and testing and sixth step packing. These all are key components of this desktop computers in nowadays using in IT industries. The manager person 25% and administrative sales staff is 25% and the skilled workers in 50 to 100% and the semi skilled worker 350 to 400%. This processing flow tablet piece assembling optimized from SCMBD BMO generations ISA material availability, material requesting general production of planning and this replacement of material request generation, material issues, this production top assembling and bottom assembling. The assembling ranges are two top assembling and bottom assembling, final assembling, burn it and test it. This processing if you are pieces and the piece assembling this process is going on. The order optimized from SCMMD is integrated Barnet and quality check and kitting and rework and packing and production data enter in AXE, FG stores, invoice and dispatching. This is the process to produce the leading player of India personal computers, the Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer, Asus groups. The workstation groups of HP, Dell, Lenovo, the services of servers of HP, IBM, Dell, Oracle, Fujita manufacturers on IBM Unisys system, HP, Fujita. The printers and scanners, most of Fujita, Nita, Epson, Canon, HP. The storage, Samsung, Intel, Toshiba, SanDisk is the Kingston is the storage devices to manufacturers. The exciting player of Gujarat, We Care Computers and Rosa Private Limited, HVM Technologies, Millennium Infotechs, Gold Group of Companies, Smart Solution Private Limited, Krishna Computers, F1 Computer Solutions, Sri Information, Sri Devi Infotech and Sakti Computers. This is the computer supply machinery supplies is the Apple Electronics Limited and the Pico Electronics Limited and Agronac Instrument Limited and Sysos Oxosets Limited and soldering equipment and circuit ads and the KVR International Rama Electronics and Electrical Private Limited. The raw material supply companies the Electronic Traders and Technical Devices Corporation, OEN Connectors Limited and Micropack Limited, Amroma Radio Corporation, Alex Infotech, Group Infotech, the import component computer peripheral suppliers, Net Service Infosys and General Electronics, Lexmark International India Private Limited, Sri Vinayaka Infotech and Amitech Systems Private Limited, MCL Peripherals, Helvet Packard India, Bangalore. This is the potential calibration of opportunities. This computer hardware manufacturer can calibrate with electronic manufacturer service players and instantly Lenovo Foxconn manufacture computer. This calibration possibility various industry leads to technology providers such as Critics, Intel, SAP, Oracle. This deliver invitation of technology business solution. This is the key consideration topics. The unstable tax structure, the indicator of supplier ecosystems of IT hardware and low-level computer intensity, indicator infrastructures. This is the project cost around. The land cost is 54.6 crores and plan of the 54 point. The approval intensities. The investment of IN 100 crores. Investment above INR 10 crores up to 1000 crores. Other subsidies. The eligibility of the UPS will be providing bandwidth of subscribe rates and 70% annual bandwidth. The charges subsidy ceiling and Indian 0.2 millions to 2 years. The Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, the Indian Electronic Semiconductors Associates, the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, the Gujarat Industry Development Corporation, the Office Industry Commissionerate, the Industrial Expert Bureau. Thanking you, Tech Dude. Please subscribe my videos. Please like my videos.